today we'll talk about how can you add or change your gender on your app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on account, then come to this list here. So then you just click here on date of birth and gender. So then you come here to agree to privacy policy, click in this sign. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on gender here. So then here can you add your gender. I'm going to add my gender here. So then it's going to add with you like you see now on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.